What's going on, friends? Anthony here with your snow report. It is blizzarding sideways. It is nuts. It's crazy. Pow Mow, it's the spot to be. Better make it up here. If you don't, you're a square.
Yeah, Anthony.
Yeah. Oh, it's filling in, boys.
Ooh, this guy's on a mission. With some fresh shades too.
What up?
What's up, buddy? I'm stoked for today.
Heck yeah.
Check out the fresh whip I got.
Oh my lordy.
Yeah.
That looks fun.
Yep.
I decided to bring my Power
all
Reaper
good.
out today.
Sweet.
I feel like it might be one of those days.
I think it might, dude. I was looking at the weather and like right at 9 o'clock, it's supposed to like turn on the faucet.
Nice.
So I
And,
think it's gonna be sick.
From what Ski Utah's saying, I'm seeing 16 to 22 inches throughout the day.
Dude.
Where's some wood? I need to knock on wood.
There you go. There you go. Yo, what's up, boys? Aaron, good to see you guys.
Good to see you, brother.
Yeah. Dude, welcome.
Out here, dude.
Yeah, we picked a good day. Good to see you, Joey. Anthony, be at Pow Mow. Storm just started like an hour ago, probably.
Only like an inch or two.
I know. This is gonna be a sick storm day, I think.
Truck's already covered.
Yeah, insane. Oh, okay. It's supposed to snow all day. There could be like up to 3 feet by the end of this storm. Yeah. Aaron and Joey I used to work with back at Liberty on the East Coast. Joey's been out here for like 2 seasons
we're on
now.
a better place now.
Yeah. Shout out Ski Liberty.
Yeah.
So glad you're here. Yeah, it's gonna be a fun day. Thanks to Pow Mow, they're hooking the boys up with passes again.
Yes, thank you.
Woo! You.
Pow Mow.
Yeah.
Thank you.
And yeah, let's get to it because my hands are freezing.
All
right, boys, let's do it.
Woo! Yeah. Dude,
I see a little ricochet.
No butt tap.
I thought you were too, Joey.
Yeah, I got a story to tell. I know they want me to fail. If they throw me into a cell, I know wife she paying the bill. Cause I can afford to be quiet. My city is dying and children are crying. Be alert, not devour. The enemy's prowling you just like a lion.
Yeah.
But we got the keys,
We all
I
kinda do
promise
the
you.
same thing.
Hold on to the peace inside of you. No, I'm not alone. You're not alone. You got an army who follows you. It's time to rise up, lift your eyes up. Yeah, hope is on the way. And we gon' be the change. Cause we are unrestrained. Yeah.
I'm not alone.
Yeah.
I'm never alone.
Yeah, Anthony.
Wherever I go, let's be the change that we wanna see. Taking a stand. What we believe.
Yeah. When I'm in doubt, I'ma pray it out. Believe in that name, so I say it loud. School system wanna take you down. They wonder why no one behaving now. These are days for my generation. Feel like we living in revelation. We gotta share it, that's salvation. A world with no savor, devastation. What is a voice if you never use it? Never use it. Don't abuse it. I am not writing for your amusement. Deeper than rap, this is more than music. I know what teams who keep cutting their wrists. How can I flee when I'm taking a risk? If we ever gonna deal with it, gotta
getting
stop
rowdy,
pretending
folks.
and
We're
be
getting
real
rowdy.
with it and be real with it. It's time to unite. Yeah, hey, it's time to unite. This world is so dark, together we shine like 4th of July. Hey, if you stand for nothing, then you'll fall for anything. We will not fall by any means. I promise you, put that on everything.
I'm not alone. I'm never alone. My family is with me. Wherever I go, let's be the change that we wanna see. Taking a stand. What we believe.
Not that much of a drop off.
I told you to have some speed, I felt like. Shoo!
Yes, got it.
Oh, wait. Sorry. You're totally fine.
God damn it, Jeff.
Yeah, it was Jeff's fault, not yours.
Okay, I'm sorry. That's my.
No, you're fine.
I don't know what I'm supposed to go.
You're having fun. You're doing it right. All right, Gucci. Dang,
I didn't have his feet.
cork. Oh, it's filling in, boys. Shoo!
Homie Jeff here on the step-ins. All right.
What you think, Jeff? You stepping in?
No, are those like the latest ones that they've made?
Yeah, he's got the same joints I got.
Uh-huh.
I heard that they used to make like a noise or something.
Yeah.
I still
heard
hear
that
a
too.
noise maybe every once in a while. A little bit. But
Okay.
not so bad.
Gotcha. So Joey, I know you've been here before, but AK, what are your thoughts on Pall Mall so far?
Dude, Palmal's been super sick.
Nice.
Good day out here.
Yeah, it's a great day. Oh, it's just coming down thicker and thicker too, looks like. Anthony, what's the snow report?
What's going on, friends? Anthony here with your snow report. It is blizzarding sideways. It is nuts. It's crazy. Pall Mall, it's the spot to be. Better make it up here. If you don't, you're a square.
It's blizzarding. That's my favorite new word. Oh my goodness, look at the map. The map's almost buried.
Oh, wow, yeah.
It's full on blizzarding, boys.
Yeah,
Woo!
it is.
Nice. Oh! Phew! You good?
It knocked the wind out of me.
Oh no. Can you move a little?
Woo. I'm good.
Go a little bit that way. Oh no! You alright? Yeah. Nice, dude. Oh yeah. So Anthony, you good? You got your wind back?
Got my wind back. I fell right on my stomach, guys, and knocked the wind out of me a little bit.
Much respect for the Sen though. This guy's determined to get upside down today.
It motivated me to get back after it.
Careful. Nice. Yeah, Anthony! Uh-oh. We got some Abby.
Uh-oh. Avalanche.
Avalanche. There's more.
Jeff, can you shovel, Jeff?
You guys got your beacons? Whoa, it's still going.
See the crown is about like 8 feet wide. Right?
Yeah.
Good thing you had the airbag on.
Yeah, right.
Don't worry, it was a controlled one, right? All right, well, boys, so glad we linked up again.
Yeah, man.
Thank you
so much.
Awesome. Seriously.
Yeah.
Great to meet you guys, Jeff.
Great to meet you,
Aaron.
Jeff.
Yeah, man.
And then Joey. Yes,
You got it, yeah.
Fisher, who are you?
Anthony.
And Anthony, is it? you
Yes,
think?
sir. Yes, sir. A lot
Okay.
of people forget.
They call him Tame Dog.
Tame Doggy.
They call him Air Jordan, I think.
I liked
Big Air Aaron.
Big Aaron. Yeah, Big
Yeah,
Aaron.
Big
That's a
Aaron.
nickname.
All right, boys, sick day.
Bring it in. Bring it in.
Woo! All right, guys, it's full on blizzard mode. It's blizzarding, I think.
Blizzarding sideways.
It's blizzarding sideways. Yeah, we coined that one. I like that. I'm gonna use that from now on, Anthony. Super sick
Trademark.
day though. Thanks guys for watching. Stay tuned for more PAL videos on the way. It's supposed to keep snowing for like the next 2 days, maybe more. And keep progressing in anything and everything that you're doing. Subscribe, please, if you're not.
Subscribe.
Most of you are not. I know it. I can see the analytics. But anyway, love you all, whether you're subscribed or not. We'll see you guys in the next
For
one.
those who aren't subscribed, this is for you.
Peace, guys. Woo! Thanks for following me, man.
Oh! Choo!
Yeah.
Yeah, Jeff.
Oh! Nice, dude. He went for it.
All right, Joey, take that big tree down right there. Let's see it.
That big guy?
It's all you, dog.
That one's gone.
You got it.
You totally got that. That spruce. Just keep your nose up.
Yeah. Oh
Almost,
yeah. Oh,
man.
perfect. I'm hitting it next. You ready?
Yeah, hit it,
Oh,
dude.
here we go.
Woo. Oh.
Why not? I'll go for it too.
The whole gang is.
See if we can get the speed.
We love you, tree.
Somewhere.
Oh, what'd you do? Jeff, look out, Jeff! Oh God, Jeff! My lineup, but that's okay. All right, Jeff, tame dog. All right, Jeff. Oh, there's no Jeff. Forgot about Jeff. GoPro, stop recording.